Hi, I just wanted to do a quick review on the GSPSCN heavy-duty dual-cylinder 12-volt portable air compressor. It's well, I've bought from this company before. They are a very good, high-quality company. I'm back for another one. I use them for my fleet vehicles, backing up our delivery service out and around the road for emergencies. Anyways, it's like I said, a 12-volt air compressor, dual cylinders, 20 amp, comes with instruction manual, got 3 air fittings and an extra fuse, nice carrying bag that carries everything comfortably, a 3.5 meter air extension hose, and your air compressor. It's powered by either a cigarette lighter, and it also comes with the battery connects. Like I said, it's a good unit. I use these because they're fast, fairly quiet, and super efficient. To use this air compressor, just take it out of the bag, plug it into your battery or your cigarette lighter, start your engine, connect the hose, and press the start button. 0 PSI. This tire is a 135/70/17. And unscrew. There it is. Solid tire. Great for emergencies, side of the road. Protect your loved ones, and nice, good quality product, and a nice, good quality company to buy from. Like I said, I've bought from them in the past. They have definitely taken care of me and made a lifetime customer out of it.